You've probably heard the wild stories. Someone turns a few $100, money they'd normally spend on coffee for a month, into a down payment on a house or a life-changing sum. It sounds like a fantasy, right? But in the corners of the market, where stocks trade for literal pennies, that fantasy flickers to life every single day. The catch: for every one story of explosive wealth, there are 100 stories of quiet ruin. Today, we're not just chasing the dream. We're mapping the minefield. We're looking at 5 AI stocks trading for less than $1, some for less than a cup of coffee, that have the raw ingredients for a moonshot. This isn't a recommendation. This is a speculative intelligence briefing. So let me ask you, do you have the stomach to search for a diamond in the roughest part of the market? If your answer is yes, you need to hear this first. Let's be brutally clear. What we're discussing is not investing in the traditional sense. This is high-stakes speculation. Penny stocks are volatile, often illiquid, and many are outright scams. You can, and many do, lose 100% of their money here. Only risk capital you are prepared to lose completely. This is for education and entertainment. I am not your financial advisor. You must do your own research. Now, because I don't want you to just throw darts, I used a 4-point filter to even look at these companies. 1. A legitimate AI catalyst or technology. 2. A clear niche in a booming sector. 3. Some form of tangible evidence, a patent, a partnership, users. And 4. A clear understanding of the monstrous risks. Our goal today isn't to find sure things, there are none. It's to find calculated gambles. These picks all carry 2 common characteristics. They all have a super low share price of $1 or less, and consistently receive buy and strong buy ratings from Wall Street's top-rated research analysts. Our first pick operates in one of the most explosive and risky arenas of biotech, next-generation cell therapy, Adicet Bio. Trading for just 54 cents, this company isn't just betting on AI, it's engineering the immune system itself. Adicet is developing off-the-shelf gamma-delta T-cell therapies, primarily targeting solid tumors and blood cancers. Think of it as a pre-made, potent cancer-fighting drug derived from healthy donors, not the patient, a potential game-changer for accessibility and speed. Here's the binary event that defines this stock. Clinical trial data in 2024. For biotech penny stocks, data is everything. Positive results could send this soaring, proving their platform works. Negative or ambiguous data could be catastrophic. The company has a strong cash runway, but the bet is purely on the science. You're not investing in profits, you're funding an experiment with a binary, high-stakes outcome. Let's shift from oncology to the central nervous system, a trillion-dollar market desperate for innovation. Reviva Pharmaceuticals, trading around 63 cents. Their focus: redefining treatment for schizophrenia and other complex neuropsychiatric disorders. Reviva's lead drug, brilaroxazine, just reported positive phase 3 results. In biotech, that's the single most important milestone before seeking FDA approval. The drug aims to be more effective with fewer side effects than current treatments, a massive need, but the market is skeptical. Why is it still a penny stock after positive data? Concerns linger about commercial partnerships, final FDA approval hurdles, and competing new therapies. This is the show-me stage. The company has de-risked the science significantly, but now it must prove it can be a commercial success. At this price, you're betting they can cross the final mile. Now, for a play on the booming market for oral therapies for autoimmune diseases. Immunic Inc. price just 68 cents. Their approach: a single daily pill targeting multiple sclerosis, ulcerative colitis, and Crohn's disease, challenging the world of expensive, injectable drugs. Imagine the convenience and market potential. Their drug, vidofludimus calcium, is in mid to late stage trials. They've already shown promising data on neuroprotection in MS, which is a holy grail beyond just symptom management. The gamble here is on execution and differentiation. Can their pill match or beat the efficacy of blockbuster injectables from pharma giants? Upcoming trial readouts will be the judge. This stock is a leveraged bet on the shift toward patient-friendly autoimmune treatments. If their next data drop is strong, re-rating could be swift and severe. Time to talk about a radically different weapon against cancer. Using a virus to kill tumors. Oncolytics Biotech, trading at 98 cents. Their platform uses a naturally occurring reovirus that selectively replicates in and destroys cancer cells while stimulating the immune system. This isn't chemo, it's immunotherapy. Their lead candidate, pelareorep, is being tested in combination with other drugs for breast and pancreatic cancers. The recent fast-track designation from the FDA for pancreatic cancer is a huge validation of its potential. The promise is a one-two punch, direct tumor lysis plus a lasting immune response. The risk is that combination trial data remains mixed, and the path to a clear, approvable protocol is complex. This is high science, high volatility investing. You're betting on a platform technology that, if proven, could be partnered with or acquired by a major pharma player desperately needing new oncology assets. Our final clinical stage pick targets perhaps the most challenging arena, brain cancer, plus therapeutics. It's trading for 64 cents. Their breakthrough is in targeted radioisotope therapy delivered directly to brain tumors. This is precision oncology at its most extreme. Their technology aims to deliver a potent radioactive dose directly to residual tumor cells after surgery, sparing healthy tissue. For aggressive cancers like glioblastoma, where options are bleak, even modest efficacy can be revolutionary. The stock price reflects the extreme risk of late-stage brain cancer trials and the constant need for funding. However, early data has been compelling enough to secure continued FDA support and investigator interest. This is the ultimate, if it works, it changes medicine bet. The downside is near zero. The upside in a positive phase 3 readout is exponential. Let's operationalize this with our new lineup. You're looking at pure catalyst-driven investing. We have Adicet Bio at 54 cents, betting on cell therapy data. Reviva Pharmaceuticals at 63 cents, awaiting its commercial move. Immunic Inc. at 68 cents, targeting the autoimmune market with a pill. Oncolytics Biotech at 98 cents, using a virus to fight cancer. And Plus Therapeutics at 64 cents, aiming targeted radiation at brain tumors. Your strategy is now a clinical calendar. First, position sizing. Allocate tiny, equal amounts. This is a portfolio approach to biotech speculation. Second, the mental stop loss. A 25 to 30% drop post-catalyst if data is bad means cut and run. Third, have a take-profit plan. Are you selling on the data pop or holding for a buyout rumor? The math here is about asymmetric bets. You risk 1% of your capital on Adicet for a potential 300% gain if their cell therapy data stuns the world. You apply that across a basket of high science, high catalyst stories. You expect most to deliver mediocre results, but one home run can pay for all the losses and then some. This is how you speculate with intelligence, not hope. So we've seen the spectrum, from clinical binary bets to de-risked phase 3 winners, from novel platforms to targeted radiation. The biotech revolution will create giants, but it will be funded by speculators betting on the clinical data first. If this deep dive into high-risk, high-reward opportunities is valuable to you, smash that like button. It helps more investors find this map. Subscribe and hit the bell because next week, we're diving into another explosive niche. Space and satellite penny stocks, where the companies are literally aiming for the stars. Remember, discipline over dreams. Do your research. I'll see you in the next one.